Hello, we have started live. This will now become sort of a everyday-ish trading analysis because I simply don't have anything better to do and I'm super bored. I should start trading today at London Open, but I was doing nothing really. Um, I was spinning on the chair and was being simply lazy, watching magicians at British and American Idol and shit like that. So, complete waste of time. Mm, Previous week was very good. Let us touch on today's trading. We have open short since the previous week. This is on my metals account, and on our intraday we have nothing. Here I have only for the intraday because I'm using web platform. So I also have on my daily account. I have open USD dollar Canadian long, but on daily. So this is not useful for us right now, and I'll keep it long. I don't know what happened fundamentally. The markets just went crazy. We all know that Canadian CAD and price of oil dollar are positively correlated, but to actually using it as a edge, I never managed. Mm, Okay, since I'll be doing analysis, this is what I trade. I explained it in 4 videos. Actually, one more video of technical analysis yet to come. Then I will do a series on money management, trading psychology, and trading portfolio, and actually the backstory of trading behind the curtains. And then I will do also a price action session, and that's it. So since I'll be doing, but this I'm doing because I don't have better thing to do, and I'm always unprepared, and I need to prepare for money management. I really need to prepare it, and that's why it will take like maybe a week or two, because I'll be doing it super slow because I need to type down words and not just go idiot on the screen. Also one more thing. There is one more thing. Yeah, the disclaimer. Don't be an idiot. My trades are my trades. If you lose money, it's not my fault. Um, I'm not here to supervise or give anything to you except my vision and how I do it. I do it 100% objective. And sorry for my English. This is not live stream of linguistic perfection, but it is forex, and I could really care less about it. Mhm. Okay, let's do our style, our technique. If you hear the noise in the background, I'm actually in very well acoustic room because I'm sound engineer. Actually, it was in multimedia for very long, and now my ex studio is like my trading room, and the dog is making a lot of readjustments at the moment. He want to have it differently. And also, I was too lazy to set a proper recording, so I just took like one condenser mic and not even a pop filter. So sorry for that. Okay. Aussie cat. For today, nothing. This was going on in the middle of the night. I'm setting up is a session, actually Aussie session, trading plan, but I cannot come with a good strategy because I'm either early or late. But at around between midnight, Central Europe, and 2 a.m., Aussie is doing some great moves like every night. Um, Nothing we can do. This is still originally bearish. It might reverse. We don't know. Nothing. I see I'm not missing a single thing so far, even though this is the first ran of the analysis. Yeah, this is the first round of analysis, and yeah, now we are focused on the pivot point pattern. But still this break could be substantial low, but it went low. You never know. This can kill you. Like, will it go down? Will it go up? So I rely on the pivot point pattern, just so that I have objective rules, so that I don't force in trades and stuff. Nothing. The markets went crazy over this weekend. Gap. And now it's falling down, but this was a solid up. It can go down and up. I don't know. Nothing regarding my plans. And today we're actually doing the analysis together. Previous week on this account, this is a paper trading account. It was funny. I didn't manage even the trades. Look where we started with €1,000. Look where we are now. It's pretty funny. Yeah. I posted all the account trades, these trades I posted on the trading view. Forex Visionist, I think. Let me check. Forex, this is my profile. And go check it. I was monitoring, I was doing it constantly. Like 3 uploads per day. But today we'll be playing around. Market ran down fast, so we'll be also doing 4-hour analysis for this one. It's actually very early, it's start of the week, so it would be very helpful. And now we have a very good, actually, because you see this consolidation. That's 4-hour consolidation, not daily or daily. These are the days. Swing traders use something, the word front running, and this is a really good case. And the funny thing I'm noticing it is like, okay, the cat exploded, but we even see a random pair like Euro New Zealand dollar exploding. Yeah, there is Greece, Greece and Turkish stuff going on. Maybe it's related. I don't know. Maybe it's coronavirus. I don't know. I had a theory. Oh, well, every year in March, like oil falls down, and it's good to short oil in spring. Usually, you'll have a hedge shorting oil in spring, but maybe the demand is shrinking. Maybe we have less demand, but I'm really not. I don't have much clue about fundamentals. I strictly look from a technical perspective constantly. I try to avoid news as much as possible. I also noticed that one news regarding oil went away, and that appeared during the weekend. I was just briefly watching it, and I cannot find it anymore because I got afraid that the oil will actually skyrocket, but it did the reverse, and that's probably bank manipulation. Okay. We have nothing. Here, we are afraid of these dudes. We are very afraid. If we would be waiting for a short here. This is the only thing now. And don't bother to like we and British pound, Japanese yen. See what happened. What happened over the weekend? Something crazy must be going on. Now, for those who study correlation, it would be very good to give it a thorough review, because probably money is pouring from one currency into another, and to such extent that we can see effect on all the currencies. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing. Mm, nothing. we scanned through the charts. We have no trade. I actually literally haven't missed anything. Although I was screwing around the office the entire time, I haven't missed a thing. So markets went fast. What's going on? Um, yeah. Let's go check 4-hour chart. Why not? Let's see what is going on from the weekly perspective. It's Monday. We have time to figure it out. And I am never in hurry on Mondays because so many fast breakouts happen, so many stuff happens, corrections and stuff that like trading alone on break. Whatever strategy you're using, I found trading 1 hour or 2 hours into London to outperform everything. I found that London Open. This was a really nice Friday run. I found that first hour of London has the most fast breakouts. Okay, now last 3 days we got a rejection. Is this short? We don't know. Probably today I'll start to I'm working on my trading office. I like to have a really nice trading office. Not 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 nice as in fancy, nice that I like it. It will be a low budget one, and I don't use 100 screens. I have one screen. I will have back two screens. I prefer to have back two screens so that I can have internet on the one side to short my time and charts on the left side to trade. But regarding trading, I'm only using one screen constantly. It's just that I like two screens for other stuff. Nothing. The markets skyrocket. Look at that. And that was a perfect information. That's very funny. Here was the death of the bears, the money spot. Go! We ended up the bearish territory. Bullish one. A big question to Elliott, wave traders. Is this first wave? And second, because it's bigger. And if you're a Elliott wave trader, is this the first wave? Because then it means the second will be even greater. But I never trust in euro on the long run for long. I don't know. Just don't trust it. Maybe I'm European from Slovenia. I don't have the trust. Okay, so now we are expecting a fractal here. This is very good. We have a short formation pattern. So the only thing that I see trading today is the market breaching the pivot or at least touching it with some sort of a shit and making one more way attempt, not making new records, creating a new fractal so that I can draw a trend line, then breaking it below, and we have like a nice 1-to-1 R as it looks now. I don't know how it will look later, but for now 1-to-1 R trade. Okay. See euro pound. Pound looks to be the stronger one. My longer prediction, but it's just my prediction, it has no value under it, is that the pound will get stronger because it left the European Union. And also, what I think is regarding fundamentals, like a lot of people are like relying on fundamental analysis. But I will tell you one thing. I had an agency running, very good one. I was doing it for 10-15 years. If companies make a decision, if you decide you will start a business in America and you're from Europe, You know that, and you are like working on papers, collecting funds, money. A bad economic report will not affect your decision. So, and we all know politicians doesn't move the price, don't move the price. The wealthy people, the banks, the people in the background with shitload of money, and I'm also pretty convinced about the real rich people we don't even know, because they don't bother to be on television. They want to be as far away as we are as possible. They don't bother. Those who control the money, who has the most money, who earn the most, they don't bother. And the funny thing is, because people are crazy about conspiracy of global government. You know what is a politician? Politician is the dude who's not really rich but wants to be. That's why he needs shitload of provisions. And because that's why they're working on a uh, uh, on the global order, like that it will be unified in one and they could control it all. But that's just a myth, because the businessmen control the world. They don't control the world, they control the wealth. And they could get, they don't give a shit about the world, so about controlling it. Why bother? Think logically, why bother? What would they have from it? They have their ways of earning millions. The last thing they want is more work, believe me that. It's like when you assign to a forex teaching class and how to become a millionaire and stuff, trading forex, and then start to teach you how to make your bet and discipline. Well, believe me, if you'll be rich, you'll not be making your bet. You'll be hardly even wiping your own ass. So it doesn't make sense. This stuff doesn't make sense. The rich people are here to become richer, and they don't give a shit about the global power. They have nothing to do with it. Global power didn't bring the millions. Their own doing, their own techniques and stuff made them millions, and they care about that, not what you are doing. They will adjust, and they will anticipate your move. Euro strong. US dollar is weakening temporarily, probably. Yeah. Mm, and pound is strong, and Swiss is weak. There is this theory that Swiss franc is the supply for US dollar. So yeah, we actually even on the 4 hours, that markets just ran. And my main trading is daily, and it is perfectly clear these moves I missed. Look at that. What happened to NFP? This is a 300 pip move. Back in the days, I heard this story that like 10 years ago, NFP was like 1000 pip move. What happened on Friday? Nothing. Literally nothing. Look at the Friday. We'll find USD CAT will be the best. Swiss had a downfall. US and Swiss are weak. Euro and pound are strong. That is my interpretation of market. Those who trade algo, because I also traded, these suckers really damage your algo. These moves are bad for algo because they screw with equation. I don't know how to pronounce it, with the calculation. They screw with it, because you don't know if that's a false move, or many times the market comes up and then slowly comes back down. I've seen both scenarios so many times. New Zealand USD. Look at that moves. What man? Strength for a big strength in US dollar, or because we saw that US dollar is not that strong, and Swiss also. Do we have also very weak New Zealand? What happened in New Zealand? We don't know. Waiting, this is another trade. I'm in it. I'm already long on the daily. Front running it since Friday. Got a very good price for that move. My first take profit was triggered already. Scaling opportunities, yeah, hope so. I don't want to see something like that and then shitting down. USD Swiss. And see here where the biggest effect on Friday happened regarding NFP. Do you see a strong move? Nothing. Look at this. Monday morning. Well, NFP Friday. Monday morning. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nothing. I would like to see short here. Nothing. I went live to record like a good video. It's Monday, but it's so boring that probably I will not even trade today because I don't have anything to trade. Yeah, I could go scalp some Ikimuku, but let us check if we can scalp something out. Here is our clean chart. If we can go on the fast time frame and we can scalp something out, we have our fractals. That's what we need. Let's bring the Ikimuku cloud. I really like the Ikimuku. It's one of my favorite standalone indicators, and let's grade that because colors will make you do wrong decisions most of the time. Yeah, let's see if we can scalp something out. Let's go on the 15 minutes so that we have a full scalping set intraday. Can we scalp something out? Bitcoin. I'm in Dash currently. Okay. Here was long. That's now missed. Nothing really useful. Nothing's useful. Nothing. It's okay. Here. We missed. We missed that. We missed that one. That is a potential long, but we are coming from a really hardcore downtrend. I would much prefer if the market would break down, then I would be trading it short. I forgot. I'm not using only the Kijun Sun. I'm using the entire cloud. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Range. If this is a range, if it's in cloud, so that means it's not training at the moment. Is this possible? It's very well possible. It's very much possible. Going long here. But it's cat. It's been so affected. But this would be a very possible trade, although for short I would be much preferring the break of that. Nothing. Okay, we had a strong uptrend here, and we have this at the bottom. Now the biggest question is, will markets come to here, or this is the turning point? What we need to do now is wait for Naveen Petiania. It's in my description. All my knowledge where I learned stuff is in my description. Now we're waiting for the rubber man to die out. Then we have a long that's here. Front running this, it can turn. You don't know. We're in minor bearish territory. It can still reach this if you ask me. So just waiting. We absolutely have nothing useful. Nothing to trade today. Nothing. See, this is where the markets went into a new run. We are at the bottom, but I would like first to see, because this is 100% retracement. It couldn't create new higher highs. It retraced more than 100%. This can burst up, but it can also be start of a range, or it can break down. I don't know. At this point, no, I don't know. I want to have something that has more edge towards it. I never know what will happen, but some things have statistically shown to work better than others. It's so boring today. Nothing even on the 15 minutes. I don't go below. Why would I? My favorite time frame is 1 hour anyway. Nothing. We'll have to call it today. Okay. 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 Is this a turning point? This is the most potential trade there is. What I don't like about it is I would prefer to see this spike here. If I would see this spike here, this shit, whoops. If I would see this shit sticking here, making a spike lower low, I would be immediately jumping on that long, because that would sure be a sign of bank manipulation, getting themselves a bigger discount. I prefer to see it as a discount for the banks than a bank manipulation and stop loss hunting, because we all have different stop losses, and that makes it so much too individual to make it a stop loss hunt. Try to interpret itself as a discount for the banks. Yeah, also you see it here. Nothing. That's it. Super bored. Nothing to do.